video has been sponsored by King Maps, FiveGuard, and JustScripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a advanced wheel station script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. To download the script, you just have to scroll down over here. Then click on this GitHub link. Then click on code and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the main from the name. Now open the file, go to config, then config_setting.lua. From here, we can configure the whole script. As I'm using QBCore framework, so in the framework section, I'll be changing the ESX to QB over here. The command to open the menu is going to be wstation, so I'll be keeping it default for now. And for the database, these are the table names. Now open the cfg_zone.lua, and over here you can see this is the configuration of the mechanic shop from where we can access the wstation command, so I'll be keeping it default for now. And over here you can configure the price system to access the wstation. And from here you can configure the job to access the wstation, so I'll be keeping it default for now. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's teleport to the mechanic location. So as you can see, this is the wstation which is configured in our config file. And this is the location over here. So now let's spawn a car. After when you get a car, you just need to come over here and type /wstation. And you will see a menu pop out over here. When you toggle the focus, you can see the vehicle in the free mode. If you want to turn off the focus, you just need to type /focus. After that, you can customize the vehicle. As you can see, you can customize the vehicle according to your wish. So I'll be keeping it just like this, as you can see. After customizing it, you just need to click on save. And the changes is going to be applied in the vehicle. Just like this. Now you can drive the vehicle as you like. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.